buzz, bee, fly away. C is for candy. C, candy, candy, sweet candy, yummy day. D is for digger. D, digger. Big scoop up, move the clay. E is for elk. E, elk. Tall oak stands, calm and brave. F is for fountain. F, fountain, splash and sparkle, sunny day. G is for guitar. G, guitar. G, guitar. Strum the strings, music play. H is for horse. H, horse. Clip, clop, slow, walk this way. I is for iguana. I, iguana. I, iguana. Slow and quiet on display. J is for jaguar. Jaguar. J, jaguar. Strong and silent, far away. K is for kayak. 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 Paddle, glide away. L is for leopard. Leopard. Spotted friend, watch it sway. M is for mountain. 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 Point up high, reach the sky. N is for nut. Nut. Pick one up, save for later. O is for opossum. 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 Careful steps, climb away. P is for pig. Pig. Oink, oink, pig, roll in hay. Q is for queen. Queen. Curtsy low, royal day. R is for river. River. Splash a stone, flow away. S is for sweets. Sweets. Sugary treats, hooray. T is for teddy. Teddy. Big warm hug, cuddle day. U is for umbrella. U, umbrella. U, umbrella. Open wide, shade and play. V is for vase. Vase. Pretty flower, bright bouquet. W is for wolf. Wolf. Watch him softly stay away. X is for Xerox. Xerox. Copy, print today. Y is for yak. Yak. Soft, thick fur, pet and stay. Z is for zoo. Zoo. Wave hello, happy day.